Hi guys, Brooke here, Wine Director of Gary's Wine and Marketplace, and today we're going to talk about how to open up a bottle of wine. As a former sommelier, I get questions all the time about corkscrews, and my tried and true favorite is what we call a double hinge, or otherwise known as a wine key or a waiter's corkscrew. I have thousands of these everywhere, so does TSA. Because I forget that I have them. But these are they're easy and tried and true. So what you want to do is you want to pull out, there's a little serrated knife here. And what you want to do is you want to cut the foil. Now, there are two lips here on the foil. There's a first lip and a second lip. And what you want to do is you want to cut underneath the second lip. These foils, back in the day, they once had lead in them, and so obviously we don't want lead in our wines, and that has since changed, but that is the reason why you cut under the second lip. So we can cut under the second lip and be formal, and then if we want to do that, we want to make two half-moon cuts here, or you could simply just use your knife and cut and pull the foil off. It's up to you. So now what you want to do is you want to break out your worm. And the worm has a point down to it. And the easiest way of getting a clean pulled out cork every single time is making sure that you put the point right into the center and simply twist up. So you twist down until you have one coil left. Now, here's the trick. You use the two-prong system, and what I want to do is I want to pull up, not back. So you simply pull up. I don't know if you can see. Because if I were to pull back, I'm going to snap the cork. And so right before, get it out, just give it a little. There you go. Perfectly pulled out cork.